Hi, my name is Dynasty and welcome back. Today I am doing an unboxing video in partnership with Globein. Globein is an artisan subscription box service that sends you artisanal products straight to your home. Each box helps a local village and women in need. And it is very close to me and very important to my heart. I have gone on missionary trips to Colombia and Mexico, and I have seen firsthand the living conditions of the women and kids and people in general in those countries. And the best thing we can do is provide them with ethical employment where everything is fair trade and they are being paid living wages and given jobs and allowing their craft to be celebrated as opposed to stolen, which happens a lot in the U.S. We steal the craft of artisans abroad and the crafts of different cultures in different countries without crediting them and sending it off to another country just to get it mass produced, instead of going straight to the country of origin and working with those artisans. And I love that these women are doing that. They are embracing the craft and the culture of these women, and again, they are providing them with healthcare benefits and employment, and they're just allowing them to advance in their lives. On their website, you can see, and I will add the link below, each box shows you what the women were provided for, how many women were employed to make this project, and all of those statistics, because I think it is very important to know exactly how each box is helping a community, and it's beneficial for us too. Some of us may not have the means to travel all over the world, maybe because of our jobs or finances, but this box allows us to get authentic goods from that country sent straight to our home, and I think that's amazing. So I'm gonna start the unboxing video. Okay, I am so excited. So what I have here is, oh goodness. So here is my Globein box. I'm going to show this first. I'm very excited to open this. But before I get to this, along with the Globein box, you can customize the items in it. So they give you like set boxes, but you can add or subtract certain items that you want. So I added in this bag is made from jute and seagrass, which are very sustainable fibers in Bangladesh. And I'm obsessed with it. I love it so much. This is great for the beach. This is just great for spring and summer. It is huge. I'm obsessed with it. I love the fabric trim here that is on the top, and I love it. So this wasn't part of the subscription box per se, but it was an item that I was able to add on, which anyone can add on to their box, and I am very obsessed with it. I could read one right here. It says, Holga, jute, and seagrass are some of the most sustainable materials in the world. These fibers are harvested, dried, and converted into strips. Then they are hand-braided and woven into beautiful baskets by master artisans in Bangladesh. Basket weaving creates lasting employment opportunities for artisans, and the use of sustainable resources reduces our carbon footprint. Alright, so now let's go into the box. Okay, so let's get to unboxing. Oh, it's already so pretty. Okay, so the first thing I see right now is this, which is a hand-stamped tea towel made in India. I'm obsessed with it. It's actually one of the reasons why I got the box. So I decided to get the tea time box just because I like tea, and I think it's just cute to like have a tea party and have these things in my home. For those of you who don't know, I'm getting married soon, so I wanted something that I was going to take with me to my new apartment with my future husband, my soon-to-be husband. So we have this, which is hand stamped in India. Those of you who don't know, hand stamping is actually a big tradition in India. It's a big culture craft. Now we have the ceramic cup made in Morocco. I was actually pretty nervous because anytime something is fragile and it has to be shipped, I get nervous that it's going to come broken. But I think they did a really good job packaging this, which I'm grateful for. Just now I have to like undo it. Let's see. let's see. Oh, it's in good. Oh, it's in mint condition. I have gotten like ceramic and glass just mailed in, and there's always something wrong with it. But this is in really good condition. Yeah, it's so cool. And like one thing I like, and I'll zoom in later, is the fact that like the edges are kind of like not perfect. Like it's kind of like, and I love that. I think it looks authentic and it looks really handmade. And it's beautiful. And in the bottom it has the person's signature. So that is really amazing and great. Here's the tea. I'm so excited to try this tea. Oh my goodness. I'm going to do another video with all these products. So this is just an unboxing video, but I'm really excited to try this jasmine tea. Here's the plate that goes into the cup. And it is packaged very well. Wow, this is like, they're making sure that this doesn't break on its way to my house. Ah! Okay, look at this. Oh, it's so cute. It is so cute. I love it. The edges here are more fixed. Actually, no, it's a little not as perfect either, but it's very cute. And you feel the hand paint. Oh my god, this is so cool. It's so cool because you can tell like this is handmade. Like I love it. Like there's nothing about this that looks or feels mass produced. Like and it has the signature initials at the bottom as well. Oh, I love that. I love that so much. I feel like I don't know. This like. I don't know why I'm so happy or getting so emotional about this. I think it's so cool that someone in another country made something and I have it in my hands right now. It's just beautiful. Because I know that this is a special craft to them. This is something they probably have done since they were kids and have been taught from their village, the community, their parents, and I'm holding it in my hands and I think that's just so beautiful. You know, it's not something that was made in a factory in like China. It's something that like someone actually took the time to like wheel and give it to me. And it's, I don't know, it's beautiful. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Like, I love things like this so much. Yeah. And this is the wooden box. Oh, I'm so excited for this. I don't know exactly what I'm going to put it for, like use it for. I know like it's really supposed to be to put tea in, but I want to use it for something else. Let's see. Oh, it is beautiful. Oh yeah, no, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Ah, it's a can carved on the top. This is, wow. Ooh, how do you open this? I'm like nervous. Okay. Yeah, okay, yeah, this is for the tea. As the compartments for the tea. Oh wait, this is so beautiful though. I love this. This is like, wow. I think, okay, so out of the whole box, out of everything, so the thing I want to use the most, obviously, I think it's going to be the bag. I'm very excited for that because I'm going to use it when I go to the beach and when I go on my honeymoon. So I'm really happy for that. I really love this. I love it. I think this is very beautiful and very special. But I think my favorite out of everything, I don't know, maybe the cup. I love how imperfect the cup is. Like, I love it. I love that it's handmade. I love that it's hand painted and like it's a little bit outside the lines. It's very beautiful. Yeah, so I think it's everything I love a lot, but the cup and the box, not even the plate. I have a plate too. I don't know. I guess they're all my favorite. I'm really happy with this, and I cannot wait for more products from this brand. I think they're amazing. What they're doing is amazing, and how they are just celebrating artisans, celebrating their craft, and just bringing it to like a mainstream view that people in the U.S. and people of any country could have access to these great products. I think is amazing. I love that they're going straight to the artisan themselves, and they're not trying to reproduce it in a mass market, but actually going to the artisans, paying them, employing them, and allowing us to have these beautiful handmade things. And I'm very happy. Thank you so much for liking this video. If you want to see more like it, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the little bell button to be notified when I make more videos. I will be posting more and making way more videos. Thank you so much for being patient with me as I have so many life transitions happening all at once. But thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you, Globein, for just allowing me to be a part of your beautiful brand and just sending me these beautiful products. I am so grateful. Yeah, bye!